Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel Spratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 4. So, dear student, this is a part 2 video of the working with the styles and objects. So, let's start with the new topic, creating a new style. Select the text and click on the style dialog box launcher in the style group on the home tab. And this opens the styles task pane, and click on the new style button located at the bottom of the window. The create new style from the formatting dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Type the style name in the name text box and choose the formatting effects under the formatting section, and select the new document based on the template radio button so that a new style will be available in your all document for use, and click OK. The new styles with the assigned name will appear in the list. Know the fact. Add the theme is a set of formatting choices that can be applied to the entire document, including theme, colors, fonts, etc. And you can apply, change, and create a new styles in a Word 2013 by using the style group on the home tab. Adding text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter the text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give its new graphical effects. And you can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document. And quick view for the students for you. And when you apply the heading styles 1 to 9 on the text, and you will observe the small triangle appears in the left of each heading. Clicking on the triangle collapse and expand it the text body and subheading below it. How to create a text box? So let us know. Select the insert tab and click on the text box button in the text group, and select the draw text box options. From the pointer changes into the cross symbol, and click and drag the mouse pointer on the document to create the text box. The text box will be drawn with the insertion point inside it, and you can resize the text box by dragging its handles. It automatically adjust and shift the text to the next line with the respect to the box area. And you will observe that the format tab appears automatically on the ribbon. To change the text box style, and select the text box and click on the more drop down arrow in the style shape style group on the format tab to display more style options, and move the pointer over the styles and select any desired style. And you can also select the text and then changes font, color, and size by using the commands on the format and on the home tab. Click anywhere outside the text box to return to your document. Let us know more and give a cover page to your document by clicking on the insert tab cover page option. Similarly, you can add a sidebar strip in your document by clicking on insert tab text box option. Thank you very much.